We are Sorted, a group of mates who have your back when it comes to all things food. From cooking battles to gadget reviews
And it's not worth it.
and cookbook challenges to a midweek meal packs app.
Crack your eggs, bake.
We uncover the tools that'll help us all cook and eat smarter. Join our community where everything we do starts with you.
Hello, welcome to Fridge Cam. Now you know that we love to support our local restaurants and we love to celebrate London's diverse and delicious cuisine. So today I'm challenging Mike and Barry to a £100 takeaway challenge.
Isn't this more like you're hungry, you want some lunch, but I can't be bothered to order it myself?
Yeah, it's like, I've got an idea of a way to get lunch. We'll turn it into a video.
There's going to be 3 rounds to this challenge and I'm going to give the boys £50 each to battle with. Round 1, story. Each dish should come from a restaurant with the best backstory.
This is what happens when you give him too many cameras.
I know.
Round 2, Instagrammability. I will launch a picture of each of your dishes on my incredibly popular Instagram profile and ask the audience to vote for their favourite. And round 3, Originality. I want the boys to choose a dish that I've never had before, and I've eaten a lot of food.
And he gets to eat at least 6 dishes.
This is going to be hell. London is the best place in the world.
I am going big on one of the rounds.
Right, Mike, story, hit me.
This is nihari from Lahore Kebab.
I've heard of Lahore Kebab.
This was recommended to me from an Uber driver who was Punjabi. He picked me up from where we work, which is in Whitechapel. And he said, what do you do? And we got into talking about what I did. And he said, oh, then you must have tried Lahore Kebab House. So the cool thing about this place is it's family owned. And every weekday, the chef knocks up a street food dish akin to the streets of Lahore. It's a city in Pakistan. Therefore, what I've got you today is nihari, a spiced broth with slow cooked meat, in this case lamb shank and bone marrow.
As soon as I took that cloche off, I was hit in the face with the most amazing smell. Boys, I am greedy AF, but I can't sit here and eat all of this food without sharing it with you.
Okay, thanks, really kind of you. You watch how much he gives us now.
Bottoms up.
This could be really hot.
Meat is so good.
Every part of my mouth is tingling.
That is such a lovely spice.
It's a peppery heat, isn't it?
This has got a ton of flavour and a really lovely heat to it. And that broth is sensational.
Your Uber driver knew what he was talking about.
He did, didn't he?
Strong start from Mike.
Follow that.
Please, lift the cloche.
Oh!
What you got there is a charred flank steak with some kale mac and cheese and the farmer's salad with some chimichurri sauce to drizzle over the top.
Okay, wow.
You remember, it was a couple of years ago, you and I were walking through London. We'd just been to a meeting, a bit knackered from it, and we were absolutely starving. We stumbled into the nearest restaurant that we could find, and this is from Farmer J. Do you remember seeing there?
He's lying, isn't he?
No, I'm not. I promise you, I'm not lying. The guy himself, he grew up in Tel Aviv. Then coming here, realised again there's so much fast food around London. He wanted to focus on stuff that was mega fresh, cooked from scratch, and well sourced around the UK. Also, with every meal you buy, another meal is donated with the Magic Breakfast Initiative to primary schools.
Wait, when did we go to this restaurant? Are you sure I was there?
No, I'm not sure. I know, but I just feel like I had to add another level to the story.
Yeah, why didn't you
like
like the primary school angle and the Tel Aviv thing's cool enough? So
I just panicked, didn't I?
Cheers.
Cheers.
That is some very lovely steak, isn't it?
Solid lunch.
Great mac and cheese, great salad. Slightly tenuous inclusion of me in a story that I don't think I was ever in.
Sure you were there.
But Farmer J doing great things for charity and an inspirational story. I'm conflicted with which direction to go.
You've got to pick one and you've got to hurry up because the rest of the food's getting cold.
It goes to the hawk out that house.
Yes!
I should get more Ubers.
So out of interest, how much have you spent so far?
£11.50.
£11.20.
Ooh, keeping it tight, keeping it tight.
Keeping it tight.
You wait.
Round 2, Instagram ability.
A hefty wedge of my budget has gone on this.
Okay.
Because I had to hit him where it hurts.
Oh, Michael.
So mate, what you've got here is the Lobster Royale from Burger and Lobster. Buttermilk fried lobster tail, lobster mayo, tomato pickles, lettuce, red onion, herb ranch dressing, and a brioche seeded burger bun. It's a meal deal, so it comes with a drink and fries. I don't want to hold it against Burger and Lobster. I'm going to say it was the delivery, but it also comes with a chocolate torte, and it didn't travel very well. So
A slanty chocolate torte.
Did you include that in your Instagram?
no, I actually think that their burger, their lobster and burger, is the best burger you can get in London.
Once again, Baz, you've got it all to do.
But honestly, burger is a bold choice, especially for something on Instagram, purely because you don't know how it's going to turn up.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Oh yes, that is outstanding.
That is utterly ridiculous in the best possible way.
That sauce is so creamy.
You want a burger to be dirty, like in the best possible way possible, but you want sauce all over your hands, you want it all over your face. That delivers on that, and it's lobster in buttermilk batter. That is insane.
I don't want to make the decision for you, but wow. Is it good?
Oh, wow, that is, try that. Get a spoon and try that.
Oh wow, that is so dense. That is just a layer of almost brownie. Wow, I slagged that off. I'm really sorry. It was more about how it was delivered than anything.
That is phenomenal.
That's great.
Michael Bryan, once again, a strong start to the round. Barry Taylor, can you back it up?
I'm intrigued. Oh, that looks good.
Oh no, what have you done?
I've done it.
Oh, you got him a beer.
I've done it. Yeah, if you like it, pour your Bone Daddy's beer. Yeah, you're right, this is from Bone Daddy's. And also, there were a few extra options that I went for as well.
Extra options?
So please.
You get given one of those for buying a meal. It's not an extra option.
It was
it's
a
not like you
free-
go out of your way to get a beer.
So what you have here is a fried chicken poke bowl. You have sautéed mushrooms, pickled red onion, green chili, sushi rice, guacamole, pickled carrot, tomato and jalapeno salsa, and then you've got some nori and crispy noodles on top as well. I had some money spare, just a little bit of money. It's not quite a chocolate tart,
Got a mochi ball.
a little mochi bowl.
This is a meal deal as well.
I'm quite threatened by this. Cheers.
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 Things I wouldn't usually put in a poke bowl.
Oh my goodness.
Doesn't need any more spice, does it? But I've got extra there if you want it.
You tried one of those mushrooms. They're like 100% umami. Oh man, that is amazing.
Considering there's like 10 different elements in the bowl, each element is packing flavour.
Try your mochi.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, it's not ice cream in the middle, is it?
Of course it is.
Oh no!
Do you know what? That is so much better than the mochi that Mike made in our
That's not
Japanese
true.
battle.
I haven't tried it, but it was a first time. You got to give me a break.
Great work, Baz.
Cool, thank you very much.
Great work. Right, you send me your photos. I'll chuck it on my incredible Instagram profile. I don't know if you've seen the type of content
If
that goes
you
up on
like
there.
Jamie's children, you're going to love this Instagram.
I'll leave the vote up until the end of the video, and that can be the decider. So we're 2 rounds in. How much did you spend?
The Lobster Royale meal deal from Burger and Lobster was £25.
Ooh.
I went all in.
I spent £21.14.
So, Baz has more to spend in the final round. Shall we do it?
So if you lift the cloche, Jay,
Ooh,
Top marks on packaging.
Dominic Ansel.
the creator of the cronut, this is from his bakery in London. I have to submit only one of these things. So if you open them up,
Why only one?
because you can't buy from Dominic Ansel and not get a cronut. But my official submission for this round is the kouign-amann sat beside it. And that is dubious pronunciation. The New York Times described it as the fattiest cake in existence. It's essentially a caramelized croissant in a muffin shape.
Step 1, originality. I don't think I've ever had that before, or even less heard of it.
Okay, good.
Before. So, tick.
Oh mate, it's got such a glisten. It's saturated.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
That is something.
That is phenomenal.
That is the most unreal croissant I have ever eaten.
The New York Times are correct.
It's also the right amount of sweet as well. I thought it would be like a cinnamon bun, but actually it's only a slightly sweetened croissant.
It's the crystallised sugar on the top.
The cronut that goes alongside this is gooseberry and roasted vanilla filled with homemade gooseberry jam.
Love a goose.
There is a custard in the cronut.
I'll maybe just take a bite of that, mate.
Whatever it tastes like, forget about it. It doesn't matter, it doesn't count towards this round.
Final dish.
I'm excited for this.
Please, lift it. This is the Pleasant Lady Jun Bling trading stall. So the main dish is the Jun Bling, and you have there Iberico char su pork, jang bing. It's a crepe made first of all, then they crack an egg on top of that crepe and scramble it on top, and then they start to pour the fillings in. You've got Iberico pork there in that one, with an extra egg as well in there as well for you. Alongside that, we've got the purple yam xiaobing, which is purple yam, which I think is a potato. It's potato-ish, purple potato, in a fried dough as well there.
Hang on, which of those are you submitting?
Both of them, because they're both in budget.
So my two are in budget, but they're two different dishes.
But your cronut isn't original. You said Jamie's had a cronut before.
Yeah, and I was saying you can't go to Dominic Ansell and not get a cronut.
In that case,
insanity.
No, please throw your cronut into the original category, because Jamie's had one of those before.
I've not had a gooseberry and custard vanilla.
I think I heard him say that he hasn't had one of those before. So,
right, mate, please tuck into it.
Cheers.
well, let's see. Cheers.
Well, that's a really interesting flavour mix.
The char siu pork tastes so distinctive and it is delicious, but it almost has that sort of hoisin duck pancake vibe as well, because of the crispiness of the pork belly and the pancake.
And the cucumber, the spring onion in there.
It's insane.
That is a lot of flavours that I recognise in a setting that is unusual. It's delicious, and I would love to have another one. Oh.
Is it good?
The originality test is, have I had these dishes before? And I've not had either of these before, but they're obviously amazing dishes in their own right and have their own histories attached to them and their own stories. In terms of a winner for this round, I'm gonna go Pleasant Lady.
You've blown this game wide open. It's all over to you.
Well, before we reveal the results of the Instagram round, how much of your budget did you have left?
So the kouign-amann cost £4.50. I paid for the cronut outside the budget. That's just for us to enjoy. So I therefore had £9 remaining for my £50 budget. And the cool thing about Deliveroo, which is the platform that I was using, this is not a hashtag ad, is that actually you can like round up that price total for specific restaurants. So I'm going to chuck that £9 onto the order of my first restaurant, the Lahore Kebab House, just as a thing.
I only have 41p to donate to my favourite place. That was $16.95 for those two from Pleasant Lady.
You do it to yourself, you do. That's why we're
Okay, after 3 rounds, it's 1-1. Only the Instagram round left to decide. There's been 3,711
in half an hour.
votes in half an hour. Boys, I have to be honest with you, we're looking at a Brexit situation here. It's a 52-48.
Oh, no way! Wow. I didn't really care that much.
I really care.
The poke bowl takes it.
Still have a job. Get in! You know what the issue with the lobster burger was? Is you can't see it's a lobster burger.
It's good when you win something and then tell the loser where they went wrong, isn't it?
Which means that Barry, you are the overall winner.
Well done, mate.
I mean, I think it's fair to say there were no losers here today because they were 6 incredible dishes from 6 amazing London restaurants, and if you get the chance to check them out, then you definitely should, either delivery or when you can go back there, go back there.
Turns out, we're really good at these battles when we're not cooking.
Let us know, did you agree with the scores in each round, and which was your favourite dish and why?
We've also built the Sorted Club, where you can get tons of foodie inspo using the PAX Midweek Meal app, discover and share restaurant recommendations using the Eat app, listen and contribute to our Feast Your Ears podcast, and send us ideas for new cookbooks you'll receive throughout the year. Check it all out by heading to sorted.club. And now a blooper.
Wowzers.
So, wowzers, we're not going to fit in our trousers. Cut that. I'm not ready for that to go out. No, I'm vetoing it.
I'm calling that a blooper.